Hello guys, welcome to Aki's channel. My name is Stella. I'm Aki's mom. This is we're teaching you how to make Nigerian vegetable soup, and these are the ingredients. The list of the ingredients will be in the description box below, and if you want to check that out. We started off by blending the crayfish and the Dawadawa, then the bell pepper and the habanero pepper. And just about now we're gonna kick off with cooking the vegetable soup. So we started by adding the oil, the red oil. This is very vital in cooking Nigerian soups, and while that is there, you don't let it fry. We're not frying the soup. And then go ahead and add your onions, your chopped onions, and saute it for a little while. Don't let it fry so much, because this is not like a stew, it's just soup. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and add our peppers, the bell pepper and the habanero pepper that we blended earlier on. We added it and we allowed this to fry for a little while because you don't want your soup to be sour. So you fry this for a little while, stirring it consistently so it doesn't burn. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and add the fish. We used the croaker fish and the Titus fish. That's what we call it in Nigeria, but here in America they call it the mackerel. We add the fish, and we don't stir your fish so much so it doesn't break. You don't want to have so much scattered fish in the soup, so just gently add them and just give them a quick stir and leave it for 10 minutes to cook. Then I pick them up because I don't want the fish to scatter inside the soup, so just pick it out from the soup and kept it in a different bowl. We will reintroduce the fish later on in the while cooking the soup, so just have to remove it. But if you don't like fish, you don't have to use fish. You can use meat, goat meat, you can use chicken, you can just cook it without any kind of meat at all or fish. So just cook it as you want. Then after that, after we have removed all the fish, we'll go right away and add you see what I'm adding there is the mushroom. You add the mushroom. You can skip mushroom if you don't like mushrooms. So we add mushroom, just a little bit of mushroom, and we added the seasoning cube. You can choose any seasoning cube of your choice, and add as you wish. So you stir it a little bit. Then I added the kale. The kale is a little stronger, so I added it first before the other vegetable. Then I stir it quickly so to marry the sauce with the kale, so the taste will go right in the kale. So then I add the crayfish, give it a quick stir, and after that we go right away and add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I added the frozen spinach first, then I added the fresh cut spinach. If you notice very well, we didn't add water in this soup because the vegetables on its own have water. So when you cook it for a little while, the spinach will bring out its own kind of water. So you don't need to add water in the soup, so you don't have a watery soup. So stir this very well. I added the rest of the spinach to make sure that everything enters inside the pot, because this is called vegetable soup for a reason, because it has to have a lot of vegetables. Then I added salt to taste. Add salt as you want according to your taste bud. Just added a little bit of salt and give it a quick stir. So, and then this is the fish I removed earlier on, so I'm putting it back. You just don't want to let this fish scatter in the soup, so you just have to find a way to marry it together with the vegetables, and just do your best not to let the fish break into pieces, because you still want your fish to be in one piece. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I just give it a quick stir and cover it to cook. If you can see, there's water in the soup already and the soup is done. Yeah, this is it. This soup was so delicious, as my daughter would say, so bossing. Yeah, so that's it. This is the vegetable soup, Nigerian vegetable soup. It's not vegetarian soup, it's vegetable soup. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the notification button for next video.
Bye.
Thank you, bye.